Hey guys, so quick video how we're going to connect to Sceptre monitor to your MacBook. So the first way how we're going to do it is the standard way through the HDMI. So you're going to take the HDMI and then you're going to have the MacBook ports and you're going to connect it to HDMI. But maybe you don't have the HDMI. Then what you need to do is that you need to have adapter. So you're going to have, let's say, the HDMI Thunderbolt adapter. So you're going to have a Thunderbolt adapter and you need to buy something like this. So you're going to insert the HDMI into it and then you're going to have it connected to your MacBook, or you need to have a dock station. This same applies is that you're going to have dock station with the HDMI, let's say, or you're going to have adapter for it and then you just connect it to your MacBook. So for example, I bought this to my girlfriend. So what I would do is that I would have the HDMI to USB-C adapter. And you would just like do it like that. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.